Hello, everyone, and thank you for coming on Tuesday. We're excited about what we're going to learn today. I want to make sure that we are focused on our unit, which is on value, and you are going to be working on your learning more about how to use shading and drawing different techniques of drawing so that you can complete your project. It's going to be coming up soon. So today we're going to focus on the four shading techniques. The four shading techniques are stippling, cross-hatching, blending, and hatching. And we want to make sure that you are ready to learn and understand about that. So let's look at this. So what we're going to do is that today, I want to make sure that you understand that you will be using your book today. I want you to, today you're going to read lesson 3, chapter 3, lesson 1. You're going to read pages 41, and we're just going to go over some information about that today. All right, I believe it's froze. So, okay, but yeah, it is froze. So I wanted to just share with you a little bit about All right, so my computer screen froze for a second, but I do want to share my screen with you guys. I wanted you to see the book. I'm going to have to put it back up because I believe it froze. But I'm going to pull the book up. But you are going to use the book today. And let's see here. I'm going to get this ready to show Art Talk. Right. Put this in Drive. There we go. All right, so we're going to go to page 41 in your book. Let's scroll up. All right, so my computer screen froze, but I did want to continue on so you can make sure that you have what you need. And we're going to be focusing on learning about drawing. So drawing is a different type of media that people use to create works of art. Media is the materials used to create art. Media is basically saying you have more than one as well. Medium is something basically that you can think about using, such as pencils, pens, anything, paint. But this just basically goes over different draw medias, graphite pencils, colored pencils, crayons. Then it shows different types of lines that you can create using the drawing media. This is basically breaking down hatching. Hatching is when you're going to use just a line to create your work. Cross hatching is crisscross lines. Blending is sort of like a fade out effect. It's smooth from dark to light. And stippling is dots. Okay, so that's what those hatching techniques, those shading techniques, those four shading techniques consist of. Okay, there's an example here that has those shading techniques involved. So you see the use of the blending, some hatching lines that are parallel. Crisscross lines are used to create cross hatching. And you're just going to answer the questions that you see coming up. You read a little bit more about printmaking, but you're going to answer the questions right here for a grade. So that's what you're going to do on page 49. Okay. And I wanted to just kind of break down and show you the 4 steps so you can understand how to use that with drawing. So just understanding what each one is about, and you can kind of get an idea. We're going to go a little bit more in depth tomorrow. Blending and stippling. So you can kind of see some examples here of the hatching and how they are using dots to create that. And we're going to go over a little bit more of that tomorrow. But today I want you to go ahead and read that particular chapter, page 41 to 49. Go ahead and answer those questions. Don't forget to do your sketch to make sure you get that done. Make sure you do your sketch, and we're going to learn about those 4 shading techniques today. That's what I wanted you to kind of focus on. And you are going to try to learn more about them and how to draw those on tomorrow. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions, and looking forward to seeing you all's work, and we're going to go from there. Thank you.